Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. May I introduce myself? My name is Angka Utama. I am postgraduate doctoral student management science, State University of Jakarta. I am here in the form of the 7th International Conference on Social and Political Science 2020 held by Faculty of Social and Political Science Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta in the theme of transformation in times of crisis. My research is in the term of the influence of visionary, charismatic, ethical, and transformational leadership to team performance. Wise leadership as mediating. Background of the study. Departing from the phenomenon of industrialization between workers and management as represented by the leader of the organization. There will be a very deep relationship related to patterns and cultures that represent the overall performance of the team. So this study examines the relationship between leadership styles, which consists of typical leadership, namely transformational type, ethical type, charismatic type, and visionary type, with intervening job satisfaction variable and mediating variable wise leadership on team performance. The study was conducted on 100 companies in West Java by distributing questionnaires. From the results of the pre-survey, it was found that the dominant complaint from employees was leadership style with effective job satisfaction and team performance. And the pre-survey was carried out at the Burger Regency Manpower Office to look at the initial data from the testimony of workers with the management, in this case of the company leaders. Because the current leaders doesn't pay attention to employee performance and is not able to carry out proper ethic on a problem, behavior that is not impacting to the workers, thereby reducing the sense of comfort and teamwork. So the author raised this is as the term of this research. The literature review. Leadership is an important and dynamic component of employee satisfaction and organizational performance. This literature review, I resume of 10th literature review from the other researchers. One, effective leadership is seen as an indication of employee job satisfaction, a vital factor for organizational success. Muhammad Yusuf, Sani, Ebenia, Bichur, and Kasim, 2014. And two, leadership is defined as a process of social effectiveness through which leaders explore, seek, and mobilize the voluntary participation of followers in efforts to achieve organizational interests and goals. Ho, Ross, and Coates, 2016. In the vein, and third, in the vein, a successful leader influences followers in desired ways to achieve organizational goals, common goals productively, Kaskas 2014. And for Nanjun Deswasarami and Swami 2014, define a leader as a person who delegates, stimulates, motivates, mobilizes, and influences followers to do so to achieve certain organizational goals. 5. Followers decide to obey and pursue their leader not only because of their leader's official authority, but because of their perception of their extraordinary character of their leader. Kanger, Kanwongo, and Menon, 2000. Therefore, and 6, it is widely recognized that leadership success depends on various types of leadership style characteristics. Won, Lo, Ngui, and Ayub, 2011. 7. Leadership success is not conditioned by a specific set of characteristics, but on the contrary by the different leadership. Salim, 2015. 8. This leadership style in turn was found to be a significant predictor of employee job satisfaction. Ahmad, Adi, Nur Rahman, and Yuswan, 2013. Sultan, Kanwal, and Gul, 2015. Alon, Diri, and Majiskate, 2016. 9. Subsequent job performance. However, the literature on the link remains inclusive. And the 10, Sim and Yep, state that there is no right and the best leadership style that will act for the leader in all situations, and it is difficult to identify the best leadership style to achieve employee satisfaction and better organization performance. More importantly, the emerging strategic leadership theory shows that the positive influence on leadership style occurs through policy intervention. But so far, there is no empirical evidence clearly supporting this claim. Parto, Tropicalis, and de Guzman, 2014. Methodology. The study randomly selected a sample of 500 employees. The questionnaire was distributed face-to-face. Data collection took place between October to November 2021. Two research assistants were hired for this purpose. In total, 450 copies were collected, of which 400 were usable and only 7 were deemed invalid. Overall, the employees involved in the sample were mostly aged 26 to 35 years, 60.2%, followed by those aged 16 to 25%, 27.1%. As for the gender, a significantly higher proportion of female was noted, about 84%. The research sample was taken by contract workers in garment, shoes, bags, and women's accessories, and labor-intensive industries in West Java, Bogor Regency. Educational, the educational 70% was near high school and 15% was in bachelor degree, and the rest was in master degree. The average region origin is 65% from Japanese, 30% from Sundanese, and the rest from Sumatra and Sulawesi. Related to ethnic origin, in work related to individual culture, which is reflected in being good to organizational culture in seeing and assessing the natural of the type of leadership. Result and discussion. Final structural equation model emerged where all of the hypotheses were deemed significant. A new relationship emerged in the final model between ethical and charismatic leadership style. Model fit indicates that the further reveal the acceptable of the model. Regression weights reveal positive impact of the four leadership style, which is transformational, ethical, visionary, and charismatic to wise leadership, which transformational in the B is 0.533 and visionary B 0.342, having the most impact. 5 pairs of leadership style proved to be covariant, indicating a stronger effect on wise leadership when both leadership styles are practiced by the leader. Results also show to the top indicators based on regression weights. So, therefore, to achieve its prediction goal, PLSM maximizes explanation by generating latent variable scores that together minimize residual. Richter et al. 2015. The approach estimates the path model relationship that maximize the R-square value of the target construct that allows predicting the outcome of the indigenous latent variable indicator by accessing the Stern gauges. Conclusion and recommendation. The influence of its leadership style, transformational, ethical, charismatic, and visionary leadership on wise leadership has positive influence, which means wise leadership can be built by this type of leadership. And then the influence of its leadership style, transformational, ethical, charismatic, and visionary leadership on job situation all has positive influence. And the influence of job situation on team performance has strong positive influence. This research has limited access to small medium company, and the information and answer given to questionnaire could be confusing to them related to their superior in the organization. So researchers suggest for the next research can choose workers that really involved with the superior environment. This research must need to attribute to those relation among workers and management represented by manager or director, and also should be contributed to other organizations. And the next research of management, especially in scope of leadership style and team performance. That's all my explanation about the research. Thank you very much for your attention. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.